Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can watch ESPN on your YouTube TV. So if you want to watch ESPN, all you can do is you can simply go to the search bar on the top right corner. And you can type in ESPN. So on the first top result, it should show you the ESPN channel. You can click on it. And you can scroll down to see what is live right now on ESPN and all of the upcoming shows as well. You can simply click on the show that is live and you can watch it. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.